Alrighty, if you look closely, you can see uh, how I corrected the mistake I made. See how the white wire from the where the black feed wire goes to the white switch wire, now that one white wire goes back to the one that goes up to the switch, and the black one from the switch goes to the black one to the light right there. And there is the correction I made. I did it off camera. The first part I did so you can watch and see if you could catch it during the part one, and this is part two showing the correction.